lost over 220 pounds. I'm at Target. Let's go do a haul of some of my must-haves and favorites and see if I can find anything new. Let's go. Every time I come to Target, I always start in the protein aisle. It's where the protein chips are, protein drinks, so on and so forth. Love protein chips, but I do prefer the legendary ones. They were out though. Always grab these salted caramel shakes. I saw the blue and greens in this aisle, and they have a variety pack now in case you don't know which flavor you want to try. And they have like these mini protein bars now. So interesting. Love the mini peanut butter cups. And I love these little candy coated peanuts. They're really good. I just don't buy them because I eat the heck out of them. Love these cheese crackers. They have a good amount of protein and they're like a Cheez-It dupe. They're delicious. The spicy ones are really good. Now, a lot of people had told me in my last haul that they really do enjoy the Fit Crunch bars. I'll have to try them, but I just thought I'd tell people, some people like them. Now, the Quest protein bars, flavor's good. Texture's not my favorite, but I do like the frosted cookies that they have. I used to only get the other ones, but I finally started getting the chocolate cake ones, and they really do be tasting like chocolate cake. I love them. These cookies are good too. They could be a little sweeter though, but I've got a sweet tooth. Legendary Pop-Tarts, I love them. They're high in protein, low in sugar. Pop them in the microwave, 10-15 seconds, you're good to go. These taste good. Texture, not crazy about though. I saw Target had some turkey burgers, so I had to pick some of those up. I always keep turkey or chicken meatballs in my freezer. It's just quick and easy go-to. I do prefer chicken meatballs though. I always keep these blackened chicken breast strips in my freezer. And then also, I saw these Alaskan salmon burgers, and I love a good salmon burger. Love the Bolt House Farms dressings, creamy Caesar and honey mustard. I always keep in my freezer. Their ranch is really good too. And I'm a salsa girly. This one sounded really good. If you tried it, you'll have to let me know. I did not get any. Let me tell you, this taco dip, she ain't macro friendly, but she is delish. I gotta make it on my own though. Better for me. I always love keeping these pre-cooked chickens in my fridge. I don't want to hear it about processed or preservatives. If that's not your thing or you don't do that, okay. But I do because it works for me. And I'm kind of busy and lazy, all right? I love a good pickle for a snack. It's low in calorie. I've never had these, so if you like them, let me know. I love when their stuff's about to go bad because it's on sale and I can just get it and I can eat it like same day or next day. So I grab me a couple of these salads for $1.60. I mean, you can't go wrong in my opinion. And then I love the Folier plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I don't even buy sour cream anymore in my house. This is what I use. I also use it to make protein ranch. I've heard good things about the Two Good yogurts. I think I've tried them before and they weren't too bad. I've seen these multiple times at Target, but I have never bought one. If they're any good, you have to let me know. Maybe I'll try one next time. I was just curious if you've ever tried them. I always approve Egg Life wraps, but I'm stocked up right now. I don't need any. I also like these turkey sausage links, so that's a good go-to breakfast. I love the Kind Zero bars. This one is really good. These are keto friendly, but I love that caramel almond and sea salt. Chef's kiss. Mom found this mini taco dip. It looked good. Probably not, macro friendly. I thought it looked really good until I saw the olives. She got some though. Hello. Hi. How are you? You know you're coming home with me. Oh, and then I found these grilled chicken breast skewers. So I thought it was interesting. So I went ahead and picked those up. We'll see if they're any good. I swear by low-carb tortillas. I eat them all the time. There's like 1,000 different kinds, 1,000 different flavors. I do prefer the La Banda Dorito ones. They have any kind of size you can think of too. Has anybody tried the Sriracha Ranch Mission little mini ones yet? I haven't found them, but when I do, I will try them. And I know this isn't really like a macro friendly or low sugar, the Carbone, but is it good? I usually go for the Rayos because it is lower in sugar. And if you like spice, that one's good for a little spice in your life. I love turkey pepperonis, so I grabbed some turkey peps. And then these are really good. My husband and I like them. Oh, and just because you see me show you guys this doesn't mean I bought everything. People get pressed about that. Those Carb Smart ones are good too. I just like to show you finds, doesn't mean I need everything. I heard Ratio cereals were really good. I can confirm Magic Spoon is really good. You guys know I just can't buy it anymore because obsessed. I have a food addiction, and even though it's good for you doesn't mean you can consume it like the whole box in a day. And that's what happens sometimes for me. I love Diet Cranberry Juice, specifically the Diet Cran Grape. It's really good. I love that they make Reese's and Hershey's and things like that. And those are like Starburst, but they're sugar-free. I love that they do that. It just makes this lifestyle a little more sustainable. Lily's gummies, they are fantastic. I'm a gummy freak. I love those. Love the peanut butter cups from Lily's also. And your girl loves her protein chips with cottage cheese. These are my favorites.